Inequalities, what should the graph look like based on the inequality symbol that we're given? So for this one, this is just the notes to recap what we did on Desmos when we played around with different inequality symbols. So when we have the symbol greater than or equal to, we saw that we had a solid line. Okay, so I just drew any line through the graph, just nice straight line through my graph. Doesn't matter where it is because I'm not given any equations or anything. So just draw a nice solid line through your graph. With inequalities, we also need to shade. This inequality is greater than, so we are going to shade above the line. Okay, like this. Everything that is above the line. And where are solutions located? Solutions will be located in the shaded region and on the line. The shaded region because it's greater than, and on the line because it's also equal to. For strictly greater than, we are going to have a dashed line. So what does that look like? Just a dash, 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 dash. Again, anywhere through this graph because we're not really given anything to graph in specific. And we will shade, again, greater than, we're going to shade above. Okay, and if you're struggling with, okay, which one's above and which one's below, look at these arrows here and here. Okay, this arrow is going up. Up kind of signifies above. And this arrow down here signifies going down, which is below. For the most part, I would say 99% of the time, that little trick will work for you. Okay, so where are the solutions located? For this one, solutions will be located in the shaded region only, not on the line, because it is not equal to your inequality. It's only above the line in the shaded region. Okay, for strictly less than, we are going to have a dashed line. So I drew my dashed line. And since it's less than, we are going to shade below. And my solutions will be located in the shaded region. Again, it's a dashed line, so our solutions will not be located on the line. And for the last one, this is less than or equal to. So we will have a solid line because equal to, so we have a solid line. And we will shade below. So solutions will be located in the shaded region and on the line. All right, so just a little tiny bit of practice down here at the bottom. Tell whether the graph of each linear inequality will have a dashed or a solid line and explain your reasoning. Okay, so for this first one, this one's just the example. They're giving you the answer. Because the line will be solid because the symbol is less than or equal to. So that equal to signifies that it is solid. I also want you to go just one step further and tell me where it will be shaded. Will it be shaded above or below the line? And for that, you will need to write it in slope-intercept form. We can only use these tricks if it's written in slope-intercept form. So I am going to have to solve for y. Okay, so let's see. I'll solve up here. X minus 3y less than or equal to 32. All right, so subtract x to both sides. We have negative 3y less than or equal to negative x plus 32. We'll divide by negative 3 to everything. When I divide by a negative number, my inequality sign will flip. And I'll have 1/3 x minus, I don't know, what what is that? 32 divided by 3. It's some decimal. Okay, we'll just leave it as 32 divided by 3. Okay, doesn't really matter what this all is over here. Doesn't matter. I am only concerned with my inequality symbol. It's still going to be solid. Nothing has changed there because it's equal to. But now my inequality symbol is greater than or equal to. So I'm going to, what am I trying to write? I'm going to shade above. This is why I said it needs to be in slope-intercept form. This is slope-intercept form because notice that our symbol flipped directions when we wrote it in slope-intercept form. Okay, so try the rest. Maybe skip number 10 because there's some decimals there, and yeah, we can skip that one. But do try the rest, and good luck.